This is how to repair a starter on a Toro snowblower 2-cycle CCR 2500E 5 horsepower with an electric starter. It's the Power Curve. The top comes off very easily, and I was expecting to see the pinion or the drive chewed up on here. It's down in there. I lubricated it and I tried it while it was plugged in here. I had the gas drained, and I saw other ones where the pinions were drive, another name for it is appendix, was chewed up. A lot of times the shafts get dry. You can't put oil or grease on there. It just gets worse. You have to put a dry lube on that worm that comes in and out here, down in there. But here, all it was the bracket that mounts to the block came loose and it wasn't engaging. So I just had to tighten up the bracket. So before you go out and get parts and buy a new starter, do that. While I had that out, I did my maintenance for the season. I'm putting it away. Pulled the spark plug out, and I hardly ever buy a spark plug. They don't run that much, especially on these 2 cycles that get gummed up from the oil and gas. All I do is take some carburetor cleaner, put some carburetor cleaner on that 2 or 3 times, just let it soak, take the wire brush and clean it out real good. You'll see it there, and then squirt the fluid to clean it. And that's also the belt. While I had it apart on the side, I made sure that that was tight. Put a little belt dressing on it. Drained the gas tank, unhooking the hose, and tilted it on the side on the carburetor so that all the gas was out, not just from the tank. The residual, I have to tilt it where the gas goes in to get all that gas out. I didn't want to take the bowl off. That's a lot of work, getting that bowl off. So that's that. Over and out.